There's the bunt. Here comes the runner. Here's the shuffle home. Save! Reds win it. Valdez with the bunt. That was not the squeeze, more like the safety squeeze. But Valdez got it down on the right side, and crossing the plate was Cairo, and the Reds win it 6-5. As Wilson Valdez shows great bat control with the bunt winner.
Well, a jubilant crowd here at Great American Ballpark. Wilson Valdez, Miguel Cairo, the two bomb squatters, combined for the run. Prince Fielder thinks that they may have him at the plate, but the underhand pitch by Fielder, he did all he could do. But how about that head first around the shin guard slide by Cairo? And everybody's happy in that Reds dugout.
There's the bunt. And you can see that Cairo did not take off until he made sure that the bunt was down. That's the difference between the suicide and the safety squeeze. Dusty's reaction. They get the better of the Tigers in the first game of this series. Whew.